There is a myth that having chicken, fish, egg or any fancy meat you will get lot of protein. But if you have these two ingredients you can gain 60 gram of protein. Are you shocked and wondering what these two ingredients are? Then for you have to watch this entire video and I will show you how you can also gain protein very easily without any fancy ingredients. Hello and welcome back to my channel Cooking Story, and this is Smita. So let's begin today's recipe. Before that, let me show you the ingredients. And the ingredients are grated paneer, with that roasted chickpea flour or besan, cumin powder, turmeric powder, salt, and with that few vegetables. You can use any vegetable of your choice. I have used carrot, capsicum, tomato, coriander leaf chopped, and onion. Now let's begin the recipe. First of all, you need to chop very fine pieces. For that, take a chopper. If you don't have a chopper, nothing to worry about. You can do fine pieces with the help of a knife. Into it, add one medium-sized carrot cut into small cubes, one capsicum, two small tomato, and make sure that you chop these veggies very finely with the help of this chopper. Once you are done, keep it on a side. This recipe requires no elaborate preparation, so don't need to plan ahead either. Just stir together the ingredients to make a batter, pour it on a hot griddle and cook up the delicious pancake. Now, once you are done with the chopping of the veggies, take a large mixing bowl, add the veggies. With that, add one medium-sized onion finely chopped and handful of corianders finely chopped. Into it, add 100 grams of chickpea flour or besan. Now add 100 grams of grated paneer. Once you add these two ingredients, as this is the main ingredients of this recipe, next add half teaspoon of turmeric powder to get a nice yellow color. After that, add half teaspoon of cumin powder to give a good taste, salt as per your taste, and finally add 1 cup of water. So over here the ratio is to 1 is to 1 is to 1. If you follow this proportion, you will get a nice chilla which is full of protein. After adding the water, then mix the batter and make it a pouring consistency. It should not be neither thick nor too thin. But if require more water, you obviously can add more. As too thick batter, then the chiller will not cook properly and may cause stomach upset. After that, with the help of a ladle, pour one at a time. Before that, heat a tawa and grease few drops of oil. Though you need to add only one time this few drops of oil, after that you can make as many chilla you want. Now when you see the edges begin to leave the pan, then flip the other side and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Though you need to press down with a spatula for through cooking. When you see brown spot on the chiller, you can remove it to a plate. If you like soft chillas, cover them immediately. And like this way, continue to cook the chilla on a low to a medium low heat until the top begins to look cooked or you start seeing some air pockets. And this way, complete with the entire batter and serve immediately hot with yogurt or any other dip of your choice. And enjoy this with your friends and family and those who are watching. Wait for them. This is the most healthiest lunch, dinner, snacks, breakfast, anything you can say. You can have this at any time. Now before serving it, garnish it with some more grated paneer and red chili powder and chaat masala on top of yogurt. Have with some green salad too. Now, so this is the recipe which I gathered from a gym trainer, and if you think this recipe is worth it, makes a great filling meal. It's gluten-free and vegan. Great way to sneak in the veggies. Make a great breakfast, snacks, or lunch of your choice. So, what do you think? Please do write your comment in my comment section below. And if you think this recipe is worth it, then don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icons. When I upload my next video, you get the notification first. Till then, stay healthy, stay wealthy. Bye bye.